CUF Descobertas Hospital has a unique unity in Portugal that treats orbital problems. It's our orbital pathology unit. And in that context, we are offering here a dissection course in cadaver. And the aim is to show and learn our colleagues from 4 specialties how to dissect this interdisciplinary area.
This is an orbital surgery course. It's a practical course. We just give some classes on technical surgery, and then we do it in the cadaver. It's a multidisciplinary course. Our faculty involves ENT surgeons, involves ophthalmologists, involves oculoplastic surgeons, maxillofacial surgeons, and neurosurgeons. And so we can give a multidisciplinary approach to all the orbital diseases and orbital surgery. And so all our students, from whatever specialty they come, they can have an approach and see how their specialty and other specialties that are involved in the treatment of orbital lesions do it.
This is a very interesting course with a multidisciplinary team that improves the formation of many specialties. So I recommend it for everyone who is interested in this team.
AHEAD gave us the opportunity to organize a structured course on orbital surgery, and this unique chance to go from the clinical practice and in fact gain some skills, anatomical skills in cadavers, and this is one chance only for everyone who wants to learn and improve and do an upgrade on their orbital and surgical skills.
Viajé desde Paraguay para este curso de órbita y siento que ha valido mucho la pena. Aprendimos conceptos teóricos, pero no solamente eso, sino pudimos también llevarlos a la práctica. Así que recomiendo gratamente el curso.